Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage and welcome to part 2 of 2 of replacing the front lower control arms in a 2012 Ford Fusion. Link below to part 1. Truth be told, I really struggled with the front lower control arms. What I ended up doing is using a very heavy sledgehammer, just beating the knuckles. They eventually popped both sides, but as you can tell, the sleeve remained with it, which is problematic. It took me a long time to figure this out. What I ended up doing is heating the sleeves up with a butane torch, using the removal tool again, and once I did that, they easily popped off. As you can see here, this is obviously a voiceover, but it worked. Save yourself some time, use the torch. Okay, please note that I got the insert in. It was quite easy. Don't fret these if they come out. I just tapped it in with a small hammer and it went right in. Okay, I have everything in place as far as hand tight for both sides. The rear facing lower control arm, the front facing lower control arm. As far as installing these, same thing. Subframe, that bracket's been loosened. I simply used a crowbar, just gently, not gently, but you push down, it drops down enough to get that bolt in. No problem at all. Also might point out that the bracket that holds up the subframe, it's actually joined, it's like a bar that joins the two together, almost like a sway bar, but it joins the two sides. So what I'm going to do now is attach that, and I'll just completely torque that back in place, because the bolts are in. Okay, I'm on the passenger side. I have everything hand tight. So what I'm going to do now is preload this passenger side, and what I mean by that is I'll take the floor jack and raise it to the knuckle, and then I'll raise everything up to that measurement we had at the beginning of the video, 15 inches to the center. And once I reach that point, 15 inches, then I'm going to tighten down everything, torque things down, need to be torqued. Check your own torque settings, especially for the ball joints. The rest of this video is just simply in fast speed, but I do have some commentary to give you. First of all, it took me over a day. I started the evening before. I was able to get a couple of ball joints to pop during the night. The next day, though, it was a full day. What set me back were the inserts remaining on two of the ball joints, and I was a little bit worried about that, about these inserts, but it really was, once I figured it out, not a big deal. Heat is the key. Heat to remove them. And then it was no big deal putting the inserts back in. Secondly, I saved a lot of money. I got an estimate from Brake Masters. I like Brake Masters. They do great work. But they gave me a price of over $1,000 for this job. So I can save a considerable amount of money doing it myself. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, thanks for making it this far in the video. If you like the video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. Please also consider subscribing to Scott's Garage and hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. Now, I am not a professional mechanic. I'm simply a backyard mechanic, a do-it-yourselfer. I've loved working on cars since my teenage years. This literally is my garage. Would love to have you come back and watch another episode of Scott's Garage. Please also consider downloading the Brave browser. Now, I heard about Brave for months. Various YouTubers didn't check it out, but I did a couple months ago. Absolutely love it. I've been using it ever since. It's very fast, very safe, very secure, very unique. You can disable all ads if you want to, or you can get paid to watch ads using the Brave browser. Check it out. Have a great day.